So I splurged a little bit on myself. A company called Redcap makes some good workwear, and I've been looking at these coveralls for quite a while, and then they lured me in with a 15% off sale. So I got a pair of coveralls for use out in the shop here. It's worked out pretty well so far, which is pretty cool. I got the ones with the oil block technology, so we'll see once I go to wash it what that entails, but it's pretty clean so far. So just wanted to give that little top tip from uniWerks Design and me. I hope they have something that you could use. Don't know anything else about the company other than I like the quality of this fabric. So there you go. Top tip.